friends, welcome back. I'm going to make a new video here for you, and it is about a conversation between a customer and a bank manager. A, I consider here A means you and B means bank manager. So suppose you want to open a new bank account in a bank and you go to that bank and you talk to the manager about the procedure to open a new bank account in that particular bank. So how you are going to have that conversation with that bank manager? So let's talk about that, and I am going to give you a brief idea that how you should proceed in that conversation. So let's start. A. When you go to the bank, first of all you go to the bank manager. So before you enter the cabin or the chamber of that bank manager, you take his permission, like, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? B. Yes, come in, please. Yes, come in, please. And when you go inside, either the manager asks you to sit down, or you may ask the manager to sit there, like, may I sit here, sir? May I sit here? You can ask like that, or manager may ask you. You may ask, may I sit here, sir? Or can you spare 2 minutes for me, sir? Can you spare 2 minutes for me, sir? Like that. The manager, yes, please. Yes, please. Or what can I do for you? Or how can I help you? The manager may speak, yes, please, what can I do for you? Or how can I help you? Now, A is going to speak, sir, my name is X. Sir, my name is X and I live here, or I live nearby this bank. Nearby this bank in Y area. Okay. Sir, my name is X and I live nearby this bank in that particular area. You can speak the name of the area where you live. Okay. I need to open an account in this bank. Okay, I need to open an account in this bank. Manager may tell you, that's really good, that's really good, or it's fine. He may tell you anything like that, that's really good, because manager is going to be happy that he is going to have a new customer for his bank. So that's really good. Now please let me know what account you want to open here. Means, please let me know what account you want to open here, because there are many accounts like saving account, current account. The manager has to ask you that what account you want to open, saving or current. Then A, I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir, or I have no idea. Sir, I don't know, sir, or I have no idea, because you don't know what account you should have there, whether it should be a saving account or current account. You don't know that, right? The manager may ask you why you need that account. Okay, why do you need to open that? Why do you need to open that account? A. Then you can tell him why you want to open, or why you need to open an account in this bank. Simple. Suppose you are a student there and you want to open an account because you want to get some money from your parents in that account every month. You can tell, so you can tell the manager about your requirements. Sir, I am a student here and I need some money every month. Sir, I am a student here and I need some money every month in my account for my study, to continue my study, or for my account to, you can say, to continue. To continue my study from my parents. Then manager may tell you, you need a saving account for that purpose. You need a saving account for that purpose. A. Okay, sir. What are the formalities to open that account here? When you ask the manager what are the what are the requirements or formalities to open that account here, then manager will tell you that you need minimum amount of money to deposit, that is 1000, and you need your Aadhaar or PAN card or PAN number. You need to have minimum amount of money, that is rupees 1000, and and your Aadhaar and PAN. You need to have minimum amount of money, that is rupees 1000, and your Aadhaar and PAN. And of course, your photograph, a recent photo of you, of course a recent passport size photo of you. Then you tell, I have got everything with me, sir. I have got everything with me. I have got everything with me, sir. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. You please go to the window number 3, 4, 5 or whatever. You please go to the window number 3, and one Mr. C is there to help you to open a new saving account. A. Thanks, sir. And then you go to the counter. You go to the window number 3, and Mr. C is there, and you talk to the Mr. C. Excuse me, I am Mr. X, and I have to open a saving account here. So what are the formalities? Oh, okay, sir. This is the form. You just fill it up, and this is the form to deposit some money in that new account. You fill it up that with the amount. Okay, but I don't know my account number. What I have to fill here? Okay, don't worry, sir. You leave that space because you have no account number this time, it will be given to you by tomorrow. So don't worry, you just leave it, write your name and amount and write new account, and please write the date, today's date. Okay sir. Now after some time you do the formalities, you fill up the form, you fill up that form to deposit the money, and after that you give it to that person, Mr. C. I have done everything sir, this is the form I have already filled up, and this is the form to deposit the money. I have filled it up, but I have left that space for account number blank. Okay sir, don't worry, you keep it with you and come tomorrow by 11 a.m. and you'll be given your passbook, your debit card, checkbook, account number, everything you'll be given by tomorrow by 11 a.m. Oh, thank you sir, thank you very much for opening my account, thank you. That's all. So that is a conversation between you and a bank manager and the clerk of the bank to open an account in that bank, that may be a saving account or current account. So thanks for watching that video. I think it is going to help you to learn how you should proceed when you talk to anybody at public place. So please like this video and share that video for others. And I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. So if you think you want to contact me, you may contact me to have one-to-one classes with me or to practice English. You may talk to me for any requirement related to learning English. Thanks for watching. Thank you.